Hello and welcome to F Basic Scale. This is our last scale of the basic section, so we're actually kind of excited that we can move on to chords and arpeggios. So let me play F really quick. So that's what we're going to be learning today. We only find one flat in the scale, which is B flat. Everything else is just white. Pretty easy. Now, the way how you play this scale, since you've been playing all 11 scales, your fingers are already moving pretty well. If you've done it 50 times, 25 times skipping, 25 times straight, your fingers should be feeling pretty good right now going up and down. So playing F would be really easy. It's all white keys except one black key. So we start with our first finger on F, second finger on G, third finger on A. Now, a normal scale would be 1, 2, 3, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? But since the B flat is way up here, you have to move your wrist to play your thumb on B flat. That's really uncomfortable. And it's actually a piano secret where you never play your thumbs on the black keys. Not never play, but try to avoid as much as possible. If you can avoid it, do not play your thumb on the black keys. Your thumb belongs on the white keys. These fingers belong on the black keys. If you look at your hand, your fingers are more that way, and your thumb is more this way. See, if you put your thumb more that way for the black keys, and then your fingers they're not straight, the form is bad, and it doesn't look really that good. So keep your thumb on the white keys, and keep these fingers on the black keys. Well, white keys as well. So the reason why we're not going to go thumb right here is because it destroys the form, and it makes you play like this, which is not good. What we're going to do instead is we're going to do fourth finger, and we're going to go 1 on C. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on B flat, thumb on C, second on D, third on E, and then fourth on F. And let's go down. Fourth on F, third on E, second on D, first on C, fourth on B flat, third on A, second on G, and first on F. Again, there is a pattern for the right hand, and it's pretty simple. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. The fingers are really easy. You just use these four. The pinky takes a break. So, let's go up 1 octave, and we go down 1 octave. Do this until you feel pretty comfortable. And now let's go on for 2 octaves. And it's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 with these 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go down. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. So play 2 octaves until you feel comfortable. You can pause the video if you can. If you want, I meant. So you go up, and then thumb on F, and down. There you go. That's the right hand 2 octaves. Now we're going to go to the left hand. Left hand fingerings are exactly the same as all the rest of the scales. Well, the standard scales. 1, 2, 3, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start with pinky, 5th finger on F. So 5th finger on F. 4th finger on G, 3rd finger on A, 2nd finger on B flat, 1st finger on C, 3rd finger on D, 2nd finger on E, and 1st finger on F. And now we go down, 1st finger on F, 2nd finger on E, 3rd finger on D, 1st finger on C, 2nd finger on B flat, 3rd finger on A, 4th finger on G, and 5th finger on F. So we go up 1 octave, and down. Practice until your left hand feels comfortable with 1 octave. And now we're going to move on to 2 octaves. So we're going to go 4th finger on G, 3rd, just like a normal scale. Since we've done a whole bunch of them, I don't think I need to really explain. So keep playing 2 octaves until you feel comfortably. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Once your left hand is comfortable for 2 octaves, then we put 2 hands together for 1 octave. So the fingers are going to be the same, 5 on F, 1 on F. So we go F, G, A, and then we transfer thumb on C, 3rd finger on D, and down. 1st finger on C, 4th finger on B flat. Good. And go down. Once you feel comfortable with 1 octave, now we're going to go to 2 octaves. Thumb on C, 3rd, thumb on F, 4th finger on G, thumb on C, 3rd finger on D. Good, and now we go down. First finger on C, 4th finger on B flat, 1st finger on F, 3rd finger on E, 1st finger on C, 4th finger on B flat, and then we end it. So play these 2 octaves with 2 hands until you feel comfortable. Until your fingers know the position and you feel confident. Good. Now, once you've done 2 octaves and you're feeling pretty good, now we're going to go 4 octaves, up and down, 25, skipping, 25, straight. Good. Once you've done 25 skipping, now we go on 25 straight. Congratulations, you have finished all the basic scales. Now we can move on to the chords, and after the chords is arpeggios, and after arpeggios, it's the improv. Thank you for playing the scales. Let's move on to the chords.